This Phyto-Caffeine Hair Scalp Tonic is good for like whenever our hair got thinner and a lot of breakage of our hair, then this hair tonic is very good for whoever is over 39. And the tonic bag has everything, all instruction how to use this product, and I'm sure that if you use it you will love this product. This has also nice smell, which I like it, and you can put like this whenever you see, like, you just move your hair, and when you see the scalp you just put like this, and the same way the other side also, like move the hair, and whenever you see the scalp and you think this side is going to thinner, so then you can put some oil here. Then later you can just massage the scalp. You can massage scalp. This Plantur 39 over 40 designed especially for hair which may have become weakened from the effects of menopause. So then you can use this hair tonic. This Plantur 39 Phyto-Caffeine Women's Scalp Tonic for fine thinning and natural hair growth. This is sulfate free with castor oil and niacin zinc. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, is an important nutrient. In fact, every part of our body needs it to function properly. As we grow older, our estrogen level go down, so this tonic helps strengthen and refresh the hair. This tonic ensures that our hair is receiving the proper amount of nutrients to help nourish and thinning hair. Also, this scalp tonic provides daily nourishment of caffeine and castor oil for all hair types. Thank you so much for watching.